In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send big files on Gmail without using Google Drive. It's a common scenario where you want to share large files via email, but you're concerned about hitting size limits or simply prefer not to use Google Drive for whatever reason. So, let's dive into how you can achieve this with ease. First, open your internet browser and navigate to your Gmail account. You can do this by typing gmail.com into your address bar and pressing enter. Once you've logged in with your credentials, you should be at your inbox, ready to start crafting your email. Begin by clicking on the Compose button, usually located in the top left corner of your Gmail interface. This will bring up a new email window where you can enter the details of your message. At this stage, it's a good idea to fill in the basic fields such as the recipient's email address, a descriptive subject line, and the body of your message. Having a clear and concise subject helps the recipient know exactly what to expect. With the basics out of the way, let's address the core of today's guide, sending your large file. Instead of attaching the file directly to your email, we'll use a useful trick. Start by finding a reliable file compression tool. There are numerous options available online that are free and easy to use. The goal here is to compress your large file into a smaller size that's easier to send via email. After downloading and installing your preferred compression tool, open it and follow its instructions to compress your file. Typically, this involves selecting the file you wish to compress and choosing a destination for the output file. Once the file is compressed, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, head back to your Gmail Compose window and look for the attachment icon, often represented by a paperclip. Click on this icon and navigate to the location of your newly compressed file. Select it, and you'll see the file attached to your email. Remember, the recipient will need to extract the file on their end, so it's considerate to include a quick note in your email explaining that the file is compressed. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to send large files without relying on Google Drive. By compressing your file beforehand, you're making efficient use of your email's attachment capabilities, while also ensuring the file is easy to download and open for your recipient. This method not only helps you stay within Gmail's attachment limits, but also gives you the flexibility you might need in managing your files. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.